Let me tell you about Flex Discs. Flex Discs are period products that are more sustainable than traditional period products like tampons and pads. They are so unbelievably comfortable because of where it sits inside of the body. Like, so comfortable, people tell me all the time that they forget that they're on their period when they're wearing them. It's totally body safe. It hasn't been linked to toxic shock syndrome. It can be worn for up to 12 hours, which means you can go all day without worrying about changing it. You can swim, sleep, have any kind of sex that you want. You can squat, hike, do whatever, just the same as you would when you're not on your period. One of my favorite things about the disc is it empties hands-free. It's specifically designed so that when you're sitting on the toilet and you're going to the bathroom, your muscles contract and that breaks the seal. So it empties itself in the toilet and you go about the rest of your day without worrying about having to change it. It can hold up to 6 super tampons worth of fluid. So even if you have a really heavy flow, it's going to be a game changer. We have 3 types of Flex Discs. We have the OG disposable Flex Disc, we have the Plant Plus Disc, and we make a 100% reusable disc. I know what you're thinking. It's not gonna fit in my tiny dollhouse vagina, but trust me, it will. We've designed the shit out of this product, and the best part is once it's in, you're not gonna feel it at all. Let's talk about the vaginal fornix. Tampons and cups sit inside of your vaginal canal, which means they essentially block your canal. A menstrual disc sits inside the vaginal fornix, which is just past the canal underneath your cervix. The vaginal fornix is a space that's wider. There's fewer nerve endings there, which means you can't feel it while you're wearing it. Because menstrual discs sit in your fornix, your vaginal canal is clear and open for business, which means that you can have mess-free period sex whenever you want. Start with clean hands and then pinch the disc in half. Make sure that the catch is on the underside of the rim. If you're using the reusable disc, make sure that the notch is pointed up like this. Then you want to get in a comfortable position. You can sit on the toilet, squat, have a leg up in the shower, whatever's comfortable. Then you're going to put the pinch disc inside your vagina, push it back and down towards your tailbone and as far as it can comfortably go. And you're going to tuck it up behind the pubic bone, and that's when it's in. You know it's in the right place because you won't be able to feel it. When you're ready to remove, you can do it either in the shower or over the toilet. You're gonna use a clean finger to reach in and hook your finger underneath the rim, pull it out slowly, keeping it parallel to the floor. Empty the contents and then discard it. If you're using the reusable disc, you can use a mild soap or the Flex Foaming Cleanser. Give it a good wash and you're ready to use it again. If you're watching this video and you still want some help, we have Flexperts literally waiting for you to call or text them right now. Literally nothing is TMI.